The machine's compact flash card may require replacement if it fails. To replace the CF card, switch off the machine and lock off the isolator. Open the control cabinet using the provided cabinet key. Locate the compact flash card. Lift the securing clip. Pull the compact flash card from the connector. Locate your spare backup CF card and remove from its holder. Push spare compact flash card into the compact flash connector. Lock card in place using the securing clip. On some system controllers, the CF card is located on the underside of the board. On some types of processor, it will be easier to remove the network connectors to get access to the CF card. If there is a release button, this can be used to help remove the CF card. Press the release button to disengage the CF card and remove the card from the system controller. When fitting the CF card into the system controller, align the guides with the card runner and push the CF card in to engage. Reconnect the network cables into the correct ports. Unlock the mains isolator and power up the machine. If the CF card has not been fitted correctly or is not correctly programmed, a screen like this will appear. If the CF card replacement has worked, the machine will power up with the user interface. Check the operation of the touchscreen and GUI. Thank you for listening.